In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoice templates in Wave Accounting. By the end, you'll have a professional on-brand invoice layout that's clear for your clients and quick for you to reuse. First, open Wave Accounting and log into your account. Once you're in, head to your business settings. Click your business name to open the account menu, select business settings, and then choose invoices and estimates. This is the hub where all your invoice appearance and wording options live. Now it's time to customize your invoice template. Start with your logo. A clean, high-resolution image gives your invoices instant credibility. If possible, use a version with a transparent background, so it sits neatly on the page without a box around it. Next, choose your accent color. This color is used for highlights like headers or totals, so pick a shade that matches your brand. Aim for strong contrast with the background to keep amounts and due dates easy to read. Consistency here helps clients recognize your business at a glance. Select your invoice template style. Wave offers different looks, and each one lays out information slightly differently. Contemporary has a fresh, streamlined feel. Modern leans bold and minimalist, and Classic keeps things traditional and familiar. Pick the one that best reflects your brand's tone and the expectations of your clients. Update the invoice title to match how you refer to your bills. You can keep invoice or use variations like tax invoice if that's standard for your region. Clear titles help clients route and process payments faster. Set your payment terms. Choose language that reflects when payment is due, such as due on receipt or net 30. If you have late fees or early payment incentives, state them succinctly here so expectations are transparent from the start. Add notes and terms. This area is perfect for friendly reminders, delivery details, or project references. Keep it concise and professional so clients have helpful context without clutter. Finish with footer text. Many businesses include legal disclaimers, tax registration details, or a short thank you message. It's a subtle touch that reinforces professionalism. When everything looks right, click Save All Changes. Saving locks in your logo, colors, layout, and wording, so every new invoice you create follows the same polished format. And that's it. Your invoice template has now been customized in Wave Accounting, ready to send consistent, branded invoices with confidence. Thanks for watching.